like this, and then we're going to put the glue on here, like this, and then you're going to put like this on there. Anyways, like that, and then, here's my googly eyes. Okay, right here. You want to put googly eyes, just a dot, because they're not that big, unless you have those big, huge ones. And then you want to put it on the head, right here. But be careful so the other ones don't fall off. See, like that. But the head's still too big, so we're going to shorten it a little bit. Let's just cut this off right here, like that. But now it's too small. See, that's the problem. Some people, if you're like me, don't worry, you're not a loner. You have me at least. Plus you don't need that much. Just okay. This is annoying now. Okay, I got my googly eye. It fell down on the ground. Yay! Okay, anyways, let's get more started into this, so we're not wasting time. Anyways, if you're in a hurry up, then I'm trying to help you out with this video. And then, if you're not a good beak drawer, I'll be back. You're not a big, like, good drawer. You can like print it out if you want, and then trace it. Okay, trace it, but like you would need an orange bead, unless you want a different color. I provide orange first. Then you're going to make it like this. Hang on. Like make a. Let me get this. You're gonna make a round shape like this, slowly, and you're gonna go more under, and then you're gonna go in. See, that's kind of like a beak shape for me, but if you mess up, don't worry. See, and then you're gonna go like that. Anyways, then you want to cut it out. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just trace the lines. Okay. And be careful you don't cut through it, like a big hole or whatever. Like, you want to be careful about it. And if you're like a little kid that you're like at least 3 and 2, make sure your parents is there and to cut it out, because I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, then you're going to glue this. You're going to put all glue over it, all glue. So you're going to grab the glue and you're going to put it all over the place. Okay, anyways, just going to put all over. Okay. Okay. Anyways, you're going to put this on here. Okay, make sure it's kind of hanging down like this. See, mine's horrible. See, if you think it's horrible, it's supposed to be like, look like this, but look how horrible that is. So if you think it's horrible, you can rip it off and make a new one. Doesn't matter. If you get stressful, don't worry about it. Because I do too. If something doesn't go right, I like, get mad. See, just do this. You follow the lines. So if you're watching this video, you can follow the lines and go up all the way down and then this way. And that's my clock. It's annoying. Here, every hour. It's really a little train. because if you have it in your house, you won't understand. Because every hour you can, and it's an hour. And then my dogs are running in, but there's nothing going on, so what's the point? Okay, anyways, like this. And then you're going to put the glue on like this. You're going to put all over, okay? You're going to make sure this part right here, like, see, I'm a parrot. But the other way. Like this, okay? And then, see how it covers the whole eyes thing? If you want to move the eyes, that would be great. Because it would be annoying to you. Well, it's annoying to me. I don't know about you, but if you want to, it'll look more cuter and better. I'm sorry about the sounds in this house. It's cuckoo, but not really cuckoo. It's just silly dogs, silly trains going off and stuff. And oh, before you get rid of this, you want to make sure you have the feet. Okay, the feet. It's just easy. It's like the easiest thing out of the whole thing. You know what I mean? See, like that. It's like an egg shape. Kind of. And you don't want to throw it away because if you're going to use it, it doesn't matter what color you're going to use. I just wanted to make another one a different color. Like, if you want to make a different color meat, or you don't really have everything to make it, and you have different colors. And I just messed up. So if you just mess up, just wipe it off a little bit, and just put the edges. And then you're going to make sure that you go like this, and put it on there like this. See, you press it, put it on the ground, like on the counter or wherever you're going to use, and then just press it down. And then if you don't like it how it looks, if you want it more together, then you can. But make sure you make two, and then make sure you put them on there. It'll look like a penguin at first, but yeah, it'll look like a penguin, but it's okay. And then you're going to get your green paper. You're going to make little feathers, like they have, like a little feather like this, whatever they have, but don't do it with scissors. I meant with my hand. Anyways, you're going to cut it like this at the edge first, and then you're going to go up, down, like a feather. Like, if you ever saw those roses that looks like, what's it called? That looks like, this feather stuff. I forgot what it's called. But like those round feathers. And if it doesn't matter how big you want it, see the little feathers. See, this looks like a rose, but if you go more detail in it, like this, like me, it won't look as like a rose. And shorter, like this, like that. And then you're going to just put the end at it, just put glue at the end. If you get it in your fingers, don't worry. And just put it on the top of the head like a feather. That's supposed to look like this again. Okay. The first one is made better. And then if you have wings, you're just going to cut them like wings. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because mine's not. I don't think. But if you think I do good crafts, thank you so much because that's awesome. And then you want to put glue up, and then you want to just put this off, and you're going to make sure you have them right here by the beak. Fold it though, fold it like this, up, Lord, it's giving me hard times, like that, and then See how cute it is? Like that. Like, anyways. If you have music playing, I feel like playing music, but it's kind of too late now. So, I'm already in the video, so, yeah. Yes. And then you just want to make sure it looks like a feather. It doesn't matter if they're all like different kinds, because the second one's always different from the first one. It's so annoying. And then you just want to remember what I said. Fold it and flop it out. See how they're different? But it's cute that way. And then if you have your glue, guys, then we're almost finished. And then we have a blue paper. You're going to do the tummy. The tummy looks like an oval. A big oval. But if it's too small, if you have more construction paper, like I cut it, then you can cut it bigger. Because he is a small and big parrot. So, and then you're going to just put the whole thing on. Put glue everywhere like this, and you're gonna put glue everywhere on it though. Anyways, let's get going with the belly. And then if you have to look at the old one, if you already made another one, see how big it is? You don't want that, right? You want a small one. Ugh, that one knocked down. Stay up. Okay, you just want. Then, if you already put glue, it sucks. So, like, it's just, if you already put glue, you can kind of wipe it. Like that. And then, there's your parrots. That's how you make it. So, if you like it, put like, and then, if you really like the video and you want me to make more, tag me on Twitter at davery02.com. You'll find me at Twitter. And then if you don't have a Twitter, you can find me on Facebook at davery3. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more, just tell me what you want and I will do it. Thank you so much. Bye.